What if I told you there's a brand new Milwaukee Tool that could replace your chop saw, your manual cutter, even outperform abrasive wheels with almost zero sparks? This is the M18 FUEL number 10 1.25" Rebar Cutter, and it might just be Milwaukee's most underrated release of the year. Designed for serious steel cutting, Milwaukee's latest cordless beast isn't just fast, it's cold cutting. That means cleaner cuts, less mess, and way less downtime. Let's break down what makes this new cutter a serious game changer. It's delivering 2-second cuts in number 5 rebar. That's insane. And it's cordless, powered by a power state brushless motor pushing 2,000 RPM with rapid stop braking in under a second. Adjustable 3-position anti-vibration handle, a big win for comfort on repetitive jobs. LED work light and tether point, onboard hex wrench storage, no hunting around when it's time for a blade change. You're also getting up to 240 cuts on number 5 rebar using an M18 high output XC 6.0 battery. That's a full day's worth of cutting without touching a cord or swapping battery packs every hour. If you've ever used an abrasive chop saw like Milwaukee's own M18 FUEL 14-inch abrasive chop saw, product number 2990-20, you know how much heat, noise, and cleanup it creates. Sure, it's powerful, but it's also bulky, throws sparks everywhere, and eats through cutting wheels. Maybe using something like the HK Porter 52-inch manual rebar cutter and bender. A beast in its own right, but let's be honest, it's a workout, and it's not exactly precision cutting. Now, imagine a cordless tool that delivers faster, cooler, cleaner cuts with no sparks, no overheating, and no back strain. Is this going to completely replace chop saws or manual benders? Not always, but if your workflow includes cutting rebar on site, or you're a reinforcing iron worker looking for faster throughput and safer operation, this tool hits a sweet spot. Like every tool on the M18 FUEL line, this new cutter runs on Milwaukee's red lithium batteries, so if you're already invested in the platform, you're good to go. And it's not just the tool. Milwaukee also launched a number 10 1.25" rebar cutting blade, purpose-built for this machine, using cermet-tipped carbide teeth for durability and low spark cutting. With all this glitz and glam of this new tool, I know the question on almost everyone's mind: what's it going to cost? The M18 FUEL number 10 rebar cutter, product number 3675-20, has an MSRP of $699. It has a height of 4.3 inches, weight of 7 pounds, but it also comes with that 5-year limited warranty from Milwaukee Tool. And those cutting blades, single blades, their product number 48-40-4064, have a price of $79.97. They have a 5-pack. That's product number 48-40-4065. That 5-pack is going to cost you $399.97. Now, if you wanted the gusto, a 10-pack of those blades, it's product number 48-40-4068. That will be $779.97. Seems like it's the best savings, but I'm no mathematician here. Yes, it's an investment, but it's also a serious upgrade in productivity for the right user. Who is this really for? Ironworkers cutting rebar all day, concrete crews who don't want sparks around forms or flammable materials, GCs and subs looking to cut steel faster and safer with one system. If that's you, then this cutter isn't just a nice to have, it could become your go-to. So, can this new Milwaukee tool actually replace your saw? If you're using a chop saw or a bender cutter for rebar daily, the answer might be yes. Let me know down in the comments section below. What do you think? Is Milwaukee just refining the job site, or are they quietly replacing old school tools one by one? Also, if you're early to this video, join the notification squad by leaving down in the comment section the word FIRST. And if you are indeed first, you will be nominated for an illustrious title and possibly receive an award. With that, I want to say, if this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. I hope to see you all on the next one.